Go ahead, I'm behind. I'll catch up to you. Go. There we go, I'm here. Yeah, you're right. You are a little less. Something's wrong. Did you recalibrate?
Yeah, I did.
Damn, I hope this doesn't mess up.
1, 2, 3, roll right. Nice. Try and do that show center.
Okay.
Okay, right here.
So, roll right.
Yeah, roll right.
Okay. It's fine when you call. I got no problem with you calling. Yeah, I know. I wasn't ready. I'm gonna slow down and wait for you, and then come back. Okay, there you are. I'm gonna be right on the runway center line.
Okay, I'm gonna stay high.
I turned early, so catch up. So I wasn't ready. Thought you were gonna do inverted.
Oh, I thought you were gonna just stay upright. I'm gonna go inverted.
Okay.
Yeah, so
We're thinking too much.
you know what happens when that happens.
It's bad.
Alright, so I'm gonna be inverted above you.
Okay.
Just,
I'll just fly regular.
fly regular.
Okay, go.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
We're off. It's alright.
1 minute over.
There we go. Oh, I thought you were gonna. Maybe you should try you inverted. You're much better at this than I am.
No, you're fine, Frank.
Think so?
Yeah, seriously, you did good.
Let's try it again.
You fly straight. Go, go. Whoa, shit! I think that you're going too high to do inverted. Just need to go, yeah, like that, and stay. So you do the center line. I'll go above you. Let me see if I can do it.
Oh,
You're
yeah,
way ahead,
you're
though.
way more. You're way better. Squiggly McGee.
2 minutes over.
Ready? Landing.
Oh yeah, I'm dead on. Okay, I'm gonna come by again. If you're landing, I'm gonna be above you.
Finally landed this thing.
Still good. Oh yeah, you've got a smaller pack.
Yeah. I went over by 2 minutes.
Yeah, I would, just to be safe. Hey, Bob, I'm landing. No, because I noticed it on that last flight. Because we normally sound exactly the same, and you hit it, and you sounded way less than me. Yeah. I gotta charge more packs for this. This thing's fun.
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, I don't know what the deal is. You have another pack for your F-15?
Huh?
You have another pack for your F-15?
I'm charged.